Hey, it is me, y'all. We are down here today at Cocoa Beach down in Florida. We came out to the beach. We're about to go see what is going on down at the beach. The weather isn't that bad. It's hot, but the sun isn't out. It's kind of cloudy, so it looked like it's gonna rain. So we wanted to come out here. It's a nice little breeze as we're walking down to the beach area, but I'm gonna go and enjoy myself, and I'll check back in with you guys a little bit later. Look, y'all, isn't it beautiful? Look at the water. It is so beautiful. Ooh. Y'all see how beautiful this water is? Isn't it beautiful? Look. Hey, Jaden. Y'all, it is so beautiful out here. It's a nice breeze. It feels so good. And we're down here at Cocoa Beach. We've not so long ago got here. We've been here probably about a few minutes, 5-10 minutes. Look at the water. Look how pretty. I don't want to get too This is so beautiful. Look at the waves. Woo! Move back a little bit. Sun's getting all the way up. This is so beautiful. So beautiful. Let me walk down here. Y'all, the waves are getting bigger. Y'all, I decided to come and sit down, but my family is down there in the water. It is so nice out here at Cocoa Beach. It's beautiful down here, guys. There go my family down there, y'all. Okay, guys, back. We're sitting underneath our little this is my sister's tent here, my twin sister. There you go. We are having a good time out here. It's hot. The sun isn't out, and there is a nice breeze out here. But you know how the weather is down in Florida. It's like a hot breeze, but it still is a breeze coming through. It's so beautiful down here. so calming and relaxing. Down here. Y'all, I wonder if I spoke too soon because the sun is just now trying to come out. Hey guys, I was checking in with you guys again. It looks like it's about to pour down rain, and you see them clouds. I'm about to get some rain, so we're probably about to get ready to pack up and leave the beach. We are on our way leaving now. We're walking back to our vehicles. We had a nice little time out here. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day.